Ever wonder who lived the most luxurious life? Michael Jordan or LeBron James? Both basketball legends dominate on and off the court, but who truly lives in a lap of luxury? From private jets and supercars to multi-million-dollar mansions, these two are at the top of their game. Today, we're comparing their extravagant lifestyles to see who takes the crown. Let's dive in. In this video, we're comparing the luxurious lifestyles of Michael Jordan and LeBron James, examining their jets, car collections, luxury homes, business ventures, and overall net worth to determine who lives the most luxurious life. Let's see who takes the crown in this battle of the basketball titans. Round 1, Jets. When it comes to private jets, both Jordan and LeBron clearly know how to travel in style. But which one has the most impressive aircraft? LeBron James owns a Gulfstream G280, a sleek twin-engine jet that exudes luxury. This aircraft, valued at around $22 million, can carry up to 10 passengers in comfort and style. The interior is designed to provide maximum comfort, offering 2 spacious seating areas. LeBron's jet is perfect for his globe-trotting lifestyle, but compared to Jordan, it's just the beginning. Michael Jordan, on the other hand, goes even bigger with a Gulfstream G550, a sophisticated and spacious jet valued at approximately $62 million. This jet can carry up to 19 passengers, depending on its configuration, and its interior is custom designed to match Jordan's personality. From high-end seating to luxurious amenities, Jordan's jet screams exclusivity, with a whopping $40 million difference in value. Michael Jordan easily takes the win for this round. Score him 1 point. Round 2, car collection. Both LeBron James and Michael Jordan are avid car enthusiasts, and their collections are nothing short of extraordinary. Let's take a look at who owns the most impressive set of wheels. LeBron James owns an extensive collection of cars, including vehicles like a Chevy Camaro, a Dodge Challenger SRT, and a Porsche 911 Turbo S. However, the crown jewel of his collection is the Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. This sports supercar has a 770 horsepower engine, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and reaching a top speed of 220 miles per hour. It's a machine designed for speed and style, and it comes with a hefty price tag of $500,000. Meanwhile, Michael Jordan has also built an impressive car collection with luxury vehicles such as a Bugatti Veyron, a Ferrari 599, and a Porsche 911 Turbo S. The Bugatti Veyron, in particular, stands out. With a 1,000 horsepower engine, it can reach a maximum speed of 250 miles per hour. This car alone can cost close to $2 million. Though LeBron's collection is extensive and includes several impressive vehicles, Michael Jordan's Bugatti Veyron clearly takes the spotlight. With that, Jordan wins this round, earning another point. Round 3, excess luxuries. Both basketball legends have a taste for finer things in life, from watches to yachts. But who takes the crown for most excessive luxuries? LeBron James boasts a $1 million watch collection that include a Rolex Yachtmaster 2 and a Patek Philippe Nautilus. These timepieces are among the most sought after in the world, with prices ranging from $25,000 to $600,000 for the rarer pieces. He also owns an Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore LeBron James edition, custom-made just for him. But Michael Jordan enjoys life on the water with his luxury yacht collection. He has been seen on Mr. Terrible, a vessel valued at $21 million, but the true gem of the collection is a Joy, a massive 230-foot yacht. With 7 luxurious cabins, a gym, a basketball hoop, and even a pool with a jacuzzi, this super yacht is the epitome of excess. Renting it costs $811,000 a week, and if Jordan owns it, the price tag could be around $80 million. The yacht's amenities include luxury lounges, a media room, and even a full-size basketball court on board. This yacht is a place where Jordan can relax in unparalleled style, and it's a perfect escape for him and his family. Both LeBron and Jordan live large, but Jordan's yacht and lavishness, it represents secure him another win in this round. Round 4, $1 million real estate. Real estate is another area where both Michael Jordan and LeBron James shine. Let's compare their jaw-dropping homes. Michael Jordan owns a stunning lakeside mansion in North Carolina, valued at around $4.8 million. The The property features breathtaking views of the lake and an imposing facade. He also owns a mansion in Park City, Utah, a mountain estate with an infinity pool, a cinema, and a golf simulator. This property is on the market for about $7.5 million. LeBron James, however, has an even larger real estate portfolio. His former lakefront mansion in Miami, valued at over $12 million, features luxurious interiors with a modern color palette, as well as a pool surrounded by LED lighting. LeBron also owns a massive estate in Los Angeles worth around $23 million, featuring marble bathrooms, a game room, and a gym. LeBron's real estate empire is worth around $100 million, and his properties span across multiple states, showcasing his expansive lifestyle. His California mansion alone is a 9,500 square foot home with 8 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms, with price tags ranging from $12 million to $23 million. Although Michael Jordan has some stunning properties, LeBron James's real estate empire is just a little more impressive. He wins this round, earning a point. Round 5, businesses. Both LeBron and Michael Jordan are prominent entrepreneurs. But who has the more profitable investments? LeBron James has investments in several successful businesses, including 19 franchises of Blaze Pizza, a partnership with Beats Electronics, and stakes in the English football team Liverpool. He also founded the Spring Hill Company, which produces film Space Jam: A New Legacy. LeBron also has a 10% stake in the media company Uninterrupted, and his deals with Nike alone are estimated to be worth over $1 billion over the course of his career. His business empire, including endorsements, is valued at approximately $1.1 billion. Michael Jordan, however, has one of the most successful business ventures in sports history: his ownership of the Charlotte Hornets. This NBA team has a market value of $1.5 billion, and Jordan is the primary shareholder. He also invests in a NASCAR team, the Miami Marlins baseball team, and various restaurants, golf courses, and car dealerships. Jordan's yearly earnings from his Nike deal alone are estimated to be $100 million, and he has earned hundreds of millions through smart business investments. His total business worth is also estimated to be well over $1.6 billion. While LeBron's investments are impressive, Michael Jordan's ownership of the Charlotte Hornets and other lucrative ventures make him the winner of this round, securing another point. Round 6, net worth. Both athletes have amassed incredible fortunes over the years, but who comes out on top in terms of overall net worth? LeBron James earns a super salary of $41 million per year from the Los Angeles Lakers. But his off-court earnings, which include endorsement deals and investments, bring his total annual income to over $70 million. It's estimated that his total net worth is around $1 billion, with a significant portion coming from his endorsement deals, such as his lifetime contract with Nike worth $1 billion. Michael Jordan, despite earning less during his basketball career, has made a fortune through his off-court ventures. His lifetime contract with Nike earns him around $100 million annually, and his total net worth is estimated at $1.6 billion. Jordan's net worth has grown dramatically thanks to his business ventures, including his ownership of the Charlotte Hornets and endorsement deals with major brands like Nike, Hanes, and Gatorade. In this round, Michael Jordan takes the lead once again, securing the final point. The winner, after a fierce battle across jets, cars, luxury yachts, real estate, business ventures, and net worth, it's clear that both Michael Jordan and LeBron James lead incredibly luxurious lives. However, Michael Jordan emerges as the winner with 5 points to LeBron James's 2. Do you think there's more to the debate? Maybe you have a different opinion on who lives the most luxurious life. Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let us know what other celebrity battles you want to see next.